Well, we are all very anxious to put the pandemic behind us, but beware. Scammers are using the vaccine as an opportunity to steal your information, your money, or both. NBC10's Rosemary is here with a warning to anyone thinking about getting the shot. Rosemary.
Jackie, just as we've been told, don't let your guard down when it comes to mask wearing and distancing. The same is true for the vaccine. Be patient and don't fall for an online scam. Government leaders say the purpose of this vaccine is very clear.
That purpose, save lives and end the pandemic.
Hailed as our only hope to return to normalcy, the vaccine has already reached many of its destinations for the initial distribution from Pfizer. Frontline workers will receive the first shots this week, but most Americans will have to wait and in the meantime could become easy targets.
There's going to be tons of scams that come with this.
Cybersecurity expert Matt Barnett of 7X explains scammers are already crafting ways to lure you to give up your personal data online.
The biggest one that we see is getting on the list. Submit all your information to see if you qualify for, advanced or expedited vaccination.
It's systemic to our capitalistic society, that some people are going to try to take advantage of people who are vulnerable.
Any offer online asking you to enter your credit card information is a red flag. The White House has said the vaccine will be free. According to the CDC, the goal is to give the doses to anyone who wants them, making sure cost is not a barrier.
We want to stick to reputable sources. Obviously, the media is going to cover the legitimate vaccines. They're going to speak to legitimate manufacturers and, the World Health Organization, the CDC. Verifiable sources of information are always going to be the best.
Scams? Not if I get it at a hospital or my doctor's office.
Bottom line, healthcare officials are the only ones who will distribute the vaccine, not online commercial vendors claiming to ship it directly to you.
My guidance was to ensure this precious commodity is received by the trained professionals at each state.
These vaccines are highly regulated. They're going to be highly controlled and distributed in a very pragmatic way.
Scammers are also pretty clever when it comes to domain names, making a site or email look reputable, but instead it's off by a letter or a character. For example, the site may say .com instead of .gov. For NBC10 Response, I'm Rosemary, NBC10 News. Jim?